Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Mirage. The Mirage from Mitsubishi Motors is classified as a subcompact car. The Mirage is a car you want for easy parking, decent cargo space, and surprising mileage. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, fog lamps, front disc rear drum brakes, front wheel drive, tires, front all season. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.